Ayo, it's Ro. We're trying brow lamination. I don't have much, but let's see. First things first, you want to make sure your brows are primed and trimmed. Apply Vaseline on your skin. A thin layer of the brow lift glue. I don't really have a lot of brow to work with in the first place, but we're gonna try it. It says to wait for 30 seconds to let the glue dry, and then you can style your your brow however you want. It's been 30 seconds. Let's see about this glue. They should just brush in the direction that you want to set them. This is before and this is after using the lash glue, and then once this sets, I can kind of shape my brow how I want. Use the perm solution and apply it directly onto the hair. I've covered the perm solution with plastic. I'm gonna wait 7 to 10 minutes. The fixation gel is on. I'm gonna put the cling wrap back. It's been 5 minutes, so I'm going to remove the fixation. These are my brows unfilled. I just went in and filled in like little scarce areas, and this is the final look. They are much fuller and have more volume. They even look more dense, so a win.